Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic affecting our laying hen. Prolapse in laying hens. Firstly, let's understand what prolapse in laying hen means. Prolapse is quite common in laying hens. It's a bit like the chicken version of a wardrobe malfunction. During the process of laying an egg, the lower part of a hen's reproductive tract is temporarily turned inside out and does not retract again after the egg has been laid. This is called prolapse. In these circumstances, the exposed tissue presents a congestive appearance and may eventually become infected, resulting in mortality. Now, what causes prolapse? Prolapse in laying hens can result from a combination of factors, including developmental issues during rearing, improper pre-lay management, nutritional imbalances, hormonal changes, enteritis, overweight birds, early light stimulation, and unbalanced diets. Quite the sight, isn't it? Now, what causes this unseemly event? Well, there's a few culprits. Overweight birds are particularly susceptible due to muscle weakness and a tendency to lay larger eggs. Excess fat around reproductive organs can narrow the egg passage, leading to straining and prolapse. Additionally, young and underdeveloped hens may experience prolapse. Now on to the second steps. How do we identify prolapse? Blood-streaked eggs are an early sign of prolapse, prompting the need for further investigation among the flock to identify affected birds. A laying bird with prolapsed oviduct is noticeable as it looks like their insides are falling out of their vent, and we may also find blood and feces on their feathers around the vent. Remember, do subscribe to get notifications on our new thought-provoking and interesting videos. So, what do we do when we encounter layer prolapse in our flocks, you might ask? Well, it's all about quick action and a gentle touch. Now, how do we treat prolapse? There is no effective treatment for prolapse. Yes, you hear that. Sounds scary, doesn't it? But don't fret, we'll tell you how to treat it. Prevention is the preferred method of control. But prevention, as they say, is better than cure. To prevent layer prolapse from happening in the first place, make sure your hens are on a balanced diet. A good mix of proteins, vitamins, and minerals is essential for their overall health and egg production. Note, prolapse is more likely to occur at peak production periods. And prevention strategies include early detection, close monitoring of body weight, growth, and development during rearing, appropriate timing of light stimulation based on body weight and flock uniformity, avoiding early light stimulation, and using well-balanced formulated diets. Keeping hens from becoming overweight is emphasized as a key preventive measure against prolapse. To sum it all up, it is important to avoid formulas with a too high metabolizable energy to crude protein content, either by excessive intake of corn, barley, sorghum, oils, or fats. The role of fiber should not be underestimated in relation to the behavior of laying hens. Fiber can have a very positive impact on intestinal health, which in turn results in better behavior of laying hens, which will show fewer tendencies to pecking. The main nutritional factors to consider in layers' formulas to help prevent the onset of prolapse are energy, protein, calcium, and phosphorus levels. Specifically, the use of a pre-lay feed properly formulated for this period will help. Remember, it's all about being proactive, gentle, and attentive to your hen's needs. By implementing these preventive measures and closely monitoring the flock, the incidence of prolapse in our laying hens can be reduced, contributing to their overall welfare and productivity. With proper care and attention, your laying hen will overcome this issue called prolapse in no time. Check our channel for details. Do subscribe to get notifications on our new thought-provoking and interesting videos. Thanks for watching.